Jim Jubak, and welcome to this week's YouTube video stock pick of the week. My stock pick is CVS Health, the big drugstore, but also the owner of Aetna and pharmaceutical delivery and all that. Now, the company reported fourth quarter 2023 earnings on Wednesday morning, and the stock was up about 3.25% after that. Not because the earnings were so great. They were pretty damn good. They beat by about 13 cents. They reported $2.12 and beat by 13 cents. Revenue was 93 and some billion, up 11%, almost 12% year over year. And that also beat by about 3.1 billion. And it's the guidance that was important. And what the company came out and said was, hey, we're forecasting higher costs for 2024. So we're going to cut our guidance for both earnings and revenue. And so for GAAP earnings, that's general accounting principal earnings, follows the rules. They say, well, we're going to do at least $7.06. We had been talking about $7.26. For adjusted earnings, talking about $8.30, and they had been talking about $8.50, and the consensus is at $8.47. Now, the reason the stock went up on that downgrade in guidance was because everyone was expecting more. Companies been signaling for weeks, maybe longer, that they see rising costs in 2024, that this is a problem across the healthcare sector as a whole. So people were really expecting more bad news from CVS. So the fact that these cuts are relatively minor to guidance for earnings, both GAAP and adjusted, meant that the stock rallied. So if you're looking for a good healthcare stock, the drugstore business is great. The healthcare business is great. The combination of a retail pharmacy with Aetna health delivery and then being able to deliver drugs is a really, really interesting combination. It's probably the most advanced combination we've got out there. And that's why CVS Health is a good stock, I think, to own for the long term. So thanks for watching. CVS Healthcare's ticker, by the way, is CVS. If you like this video, please sign up for my YouTube channel. This way you get alerts, and they're free, and I'll let you know when we're doing the next one. We're doing about 3 a week now. If you like more of my stuff, written stuff, and portfolios, you can go to my free site. That's jubakpicks.com. If you want 6 portfolios instead of 3 on the free site, subscribe to my Jubak AM site. It costs about 33 cents a day. And that, as I said, it's got 6 portfolios, including options and ETFs and really long-term picks. And you can find links to all those down below. Plus, I've moved to Venice, and we, being my wife and I, we're doing a Substack about our adventures in Italy, because we're going to be in Venice for a while, and then I think Sicily for the summer, and then who knows, we're digital nomads. So if you want to follow that Substack, also free, please, would be welcome to have you as a reader following our adventures, and you can comment. We'd love to hear from you. You can find links to all that stuff, the investment sites and Substack, down below. Thanks very much for watching.